Hello dear SAP colleagues and SAP friends. In today's video I would like to show you how you can write some messages in SAP, how you can send messages to other users in SAP. And for this reason I would like to start with the first option, which is the transaction SM02. In this transaction, you can write a message which would be sent to all the users and in the given system that you specify. And for this reason, you have to just click on this white sheet of paper here, write the message, for instance, something like attention, please log off the server name. If you don't specify a server name, actually if you choose the options to the servers, you can see that there is one specific, which is the server of this system in which we are. You can specify a client of the system, or in German Mandant. This is the client. Now we are in, for instance, 010, but you can make it something different. Here you can specify the time frame in which this message would be shown. And if we want to be shown now, we gotta choose, for instance, now we are 19th of October and we gotta choose, let's say, 7:15 till 19th of October again. Let's say 23 o'clock p.m. Yeah, 23 o'clock. Okay, this was it. We gotta just now click on save. And this thing is saying that it's in the past. The time is in the past, so basically this is not allowed. We gotta choose a time which is in the future. This would be 7:17. And I added it. And basically if I go back now, as you see, there is the message. And this message, the thing is now this message has been sent to all the users, right? To all the users. Basically this can be very dangerous, but sometimes you want to inform people, sometimes you want to inform that, for instance, at the weekends or at the specific weekend, the server would be unavailable because of a maintenance activities or whatsoever, right? And this was it. This is the first way and the main way to send system messages. And I'll now like to show you another one, which is a little bit more comfortable. For this reason, you need the SE37 and the transaction which is called TH pop-up. Sorry, this is not transaction, this is a functional module, TH pop-up. And we actually don't want to really see what is going on here in abap. We just want to see how this is working, and I will execute this functional module here. And I would like now to send a message through this functional module, only to me, or so to say to a specific user. Please log off. The length of the message is not our thing. The client, I think we are able here to say 010, and the user, this is my user in the system. Now we are executing this, and I received from whom this message is, and the message was sent to me. This is how this message is looking, and you are able to send messages to everybody like this. Okay. And basically, these are the main ways, guys, the two main ways in which you can send messages. There is one more, and this is through system and short messages, short message. but you gotta go back first, or not really. Yep, actually it's working like this. And this is if you want to create a document and send, so to say, this is part of the work processes to SAP, which I may talk about in another video. But here we can write as well one message, one document. Attention, please log off. And you say to whom, and this would be me, my user, and the type would be a personal message, so to say. The second, and the title would be important information. Save and send. Okay. Just a second now. This should have worked, I think. I should have received a message now. Open a transaction. Okay. But now we go to SAP Business Workplace. And as you can see in my workplace, here, but where the documents are in the received things for my work process, there is this message: the important information and the document which I received. And basically, what is really important here is that it's already read. And this is how this type of messages is working, because a lot of people are working through this business workplace, and this is a way to send a document here. And you can send a lot of information actually through this thing, through the workplaces. And it is somehow, there are processes in companies which are accustomed to work through the business workplaces, and this is the main reason why a lot of people prefer to do it like this. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope that you've enjoyed it and that you have learned something. If this is the case, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. So please subscribe to my channel, because I see that there are a lot of people watching my channel, but they still haven't subscribed. And stay tuned guys, till next time. Wish you all the best.